have to go get blood work done. I was supposed to get it done a month ago. So, there's that. But the doctor's office my doctor actually called me the other day because I have an appointment today at 10. And the doctor actually called me the other day and said, hey, you never got your blood work done. So I have to go do that before my appointment today. Obviously, for obvious reasons, it got pushed to the back of my head. But I have to take care of myself. And, the fact of the matter is I have high blood pressure. I don't know how much of that you guys remember or know, but it actually runs in my family. And I guess it was about a year ago. Maybe not quite. Or maybe, I can't remember exactly, but it's been a while now. I'm going to say it's been probably at least a year. It's been a while. Almost a year. Not quite a year, maybe. I don't know. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I haven't had coffee because I had to fast for this test. So, anyway, it's been a while, but long and story short of it, for like a couple of weeks, I was feeling terrible. I was feeling absolutely terrible. So this is the thing, guys. Like, if you're not feeling good and it lasts, you need to go to the doctor because so I wasn't feeling good, and then I started having like heart palpitations and like just really bad, and then I was starting to get a little dizzy and a little lightheaded. So I actually didn't even go to the doctor for myself. I had gone for him, and then I had taken my blood pressure, and my blood pressure was sky high. Like, I mean, oh my gosh, I can't even remember. It was so high. It was like something over 200. It was pretty bad. So, the doctor's like, you need to go to like urgent care. So I went over to the walk-in clinic, and they took my blood pressure again, and then they did an EKG because it was so high it was stroke level. So long and story short of it, I had an ambulance called and was rushed to the hospital because my blood pressure was so freaking high. Like I said, it was like something over 200 or something, or it was really, really, really high. Like, not high blood pressure high, like stroke level high. So like they said I was really lucky I didn't have a stroke. And that also runs in my family because my mom has a blood clot disorder, which we were all tested for. I was tested for, Lacey was tested for. We do not have it. I carry the genes for it, but I don't actually have it. It's hereditary, and basically my grandmother had it, and that's what killed her. She ended up having a stroke, and it killed her. And yeah, so so high blood pressure runs in my family. My brother has high blood pressure. My mother has high blood pressure. Like most of my grandmother had high blood pressure. Like, it doesn't matter. Like I said, I'll be on blood pressure medicine the rest of my life just cause. I've done really well on blood pressure medicine. But anyway, so that's just my little tidbit of information. If you're not feeling good, go get checked out. Don't put things off. Don't ever put anything off. If something's not right or not normal, go get it checked out. Sorry. But, and I'm not just saying that because of my own health issues, but that's in retrospect of like, what happened with Greg, he put his off. There are no regrets. You can't go back in time. You can't change anything. You can't. But, in the future, you can spread awareness and you can share, your stories and the things that you've been through, and in hopes that maybe it'll make a difference to somebody else. So that's what we strive to do. Like, I don't want to see anybody else have to go through any of the trials and any of the, oh, that's a big doggy, any of the things that we've had to, you know. Cancer's ugly. I mean, you know, just putting off your health in general is not a good idea. You know, but trust me, I also get it, because, you know, a lot of the reasons things got put off, like with us, was because health insurance. You know, this world, and being able to afford health insurance and having health insurance that actually pays for things, that's tough too. So anyway, back to what I'm doing today. So I have to go get blood work done, but I want to get it done first thing because I had to fast for it. So I can't have coffee. I could care less about food, but I really want my coffee. So I'm going to go get it done now at 6 o'clock in the morning so that I can come back home and drink a cup of coffee. And then I have a doctor's appointment at 10 o'clock. Now, my doctor's appointment at 10 o'clock is not for my blood pressure. I was put on anxiety medicine with everything that was happening, and the doctor wants to check up and make sure that everything with that is fine. You know, I'm not proud. I'm not prideful. I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, but I don't care. I'm on anxiety medicine, guys. I need it. You know, it's nothing major. It's a very low dose. You know what I mean? It's nothing like, I'm not like on 50 different kinds of meds to make sure that I stay sane, but just a little something to take the edge off for when I'm feeling like I'm going to rip my hair out or somebody else's. So, and then I really need to clean the house. Adulting. But I don't know how much I'm going to get done because, like I said, I don't know how quick I'm going to get in here and get out, and then I'm going to come back, but then I got to go back to the doctor's at 10. And then when I'm done that, we have a special evening planned. I'm sorry, I'm not doing my hair. I get compliments on my bandanas. It just covers up the hair until I decide I want to do it. And I usually don't do it unless I'm like going out or going to work. So, I'll see you guys in a little while. Ciao, block.
Yes, but the chances are about 10% of the forecast with temperatures in the upper 80s.
Check. She was really cool. I liked her. She was really nice and funny. Especially at like just before 7 in the morning. Oh. But now I'm going home and I'm getting coffee. Coffee. I have coffee. This is my SG mug. I got this from church, and I love it. It's my favorite. It actually took me quite a while to get my coffee because when I got home, I decided I needed to clean. Here's the thing. I've really started becoming a little OCD about cleaning. It's like, I live in a trailer, so like with 2 other people and 2 dogs and a cat. So keeping this place clean is about as easy as cutting the grass with dull scissors. I don't know why I came up with that analogy, but yeah, so like that's how hard it is. And I'm getting to the point where I'm like cleaning my room multiple times a day. Like, I know that, you know, some of it's just clutter. Like, I'll rearrange the clutter, or I'll move the clutter, and I'll stack the clutter because I don't have any space to put anything. But I'm also sweeping the floor and cleaning the rug and doing the laundry and making sure the bed. I made my bed last night at 10 o'clock at night. Because I got up early to go to work, I didn't fuss with making my bed because I just got up, got ready, and left. And I was just like, no big deal. I'm going to be going to bed. And then at 10 o'clock at night, it was driving me insane. It was driving me insane that my bed wasn't made. So I made it. And then I unmade it and got into it. I can't even make it up, guys. That's what I did. I've been rearranging things and dusting things and cleaning things. And I don't know if some of it's stemming back from the OCDs kind of coming in, kicking in because of the whole medical thing with him and having and infections and having to keep things clean and that kind of thing. But it's literally been driving me crazy. And like keeping the kitchen and the bathroom and the hall, I like literally am going insane. Like I'm going insane. Like I just want to take some dynamite and just blow the place up. That's how bad it is. Like, cause I can't keep it clean. I can't. I mean, and the kids are helping. Like, I mean, don't get me wrong. They are helping. Lacey's doing the litter box. Scott's been taking out trash and the recyclables and that kind of stuff for me. They've been washing dishes here and there to help me. Like, it's not like they're not helping, because they are. But it's because there's cat and there's dogs and stuff's getting tracked in and out. And I don't have the time to do the cleaning that a person that's got slight OCD has to clean. I'm losing my mind. I swear, I'm losing my ever-living mind. Because I'm like, and then all I want to do, because of wanting to travel, like I'm all for just getting rid of everything and moving into a van and having next to nothing so that I don't have to clean. There's that. So yeah, so let's keep this day rolling. You won't go because you won't go on the ferry.
Oh, hell no. I am sorry, Lulu. I ain't.
But I'm coming soon.
When are we going to do that?
I don't know, but we need to pick a day.
Listen.
Look at us
Probably
vloggers vlogging each other.
Probably after my nephew moves.
Lulu,
That's going to be bad.
for me to, I will come to your house. They will just, number one, have to drive. Number two, I will have to be highly medicated.
These are
my Monarch windmill things. I can't see it. I'm thinking I'm vlogging. And then when I got here, Leah and Lacey and the kids had put butterflies everywhere. There's 180 butterflies all through my yard, which is pretty amazing because I got amazing friends.
Yeah.
It was all
Yeah. It's all Leah.
Well,
And then there's the famous Leslie. We had to beat off the paparazzi earlier.
Yeah, we had to beat off the old man after her.
So apparently junk in the trunk can get into a hammock. I have that clip somewhere on this phone of when she said it was the day after it was Monday.
I'm trying to say it's
Because it was the
twisted.
day.
Look at
It's
the
been
top
twisted. It's
down
been
there.
twisted.
He's laying on the.
It's fine. It's been twisted. It doesn't matter. It's not gonna hurt it. He's fine.
I just want to go up and spin.
Look at that pretty girl.
I would.
Look at that gorgeous girl sitting there.
Oh, honey. Hey, you know what?
Say hi.
Go call this Adam. It's fun.
Say hi to all your fans. It's the paparazzi.
Hi. Hi. She says hi, Lulu.
Come on.
Say hi, Lulu. You gotta at least be in my vlog.
Hey guys, what's up?
Trish.
Oh, they already know who you are.
No. Yeah, y'all know I'm Wawa.
I
But
gotta
listen,
go home at some point.
she needs to go try to climb in it with him, and if he kicks her out, she needs to just flip it. Right? Y'all are with me, right?
I wish I had a super.
That might hurt. We don't want to hurt. We don't want to hurt Dustin.
They're not gonna hurt.
It's
I
a
fell out
Friday.
of
He's
it.
got a whole weekend to recuperate.
I
He's
fell
young.
out of it how many times now?
Feels like he's got to work. He's got to work.
It might stop the banjo.
And all the kids are in there watching Scooby.
I think my arms get color.
We're in and that. Because, well, why not?
I torture her all the time in Walmart too with those masks. Oh, I put everything on her. She's so good.
I freaking love this store. There's such fun stuff.
Where's Lacey? We should crawl in the pool. We should so crawl in the pool.
You should not get us kicked out of the and that. I like this store. I don't want kicked out of it. I really want one of Lulu, you need a bug zapper like this.
No, I probably hit my mom with it.
Yeah, that's what we were talking about. This one. 108 feet.
Yeah.
They do.
It's like a bug
These
zapper,
things are
only you
awesome.
whack them.
I use this and
And it works.
on our porch.
Oh my god, she's so cute. I'll screenshot it then. 'Cause I'm filming.
Oh, these are only 3 something?
$3.29.
Let's take one with the plastic thing on it so I know it's not broken.
What are y'all playing tennis?
There's a bug.
Look at the birdie houses.
Trish got a bunch of those for $2.99. Those TV torches.
I got them cheaper than that though, I think, didn't I? Because I got them at Pier 1.
The bamboo.
How I know that thing is so nice.
I am in love with this chair, guys. I don't know what it is.
I think it's the carving
It is
on the
pretty.
sides too.
It's only 300.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's a big four.
I'm gonna get right on that. Did we lose Lacey?
She had to go to the restroom.
Oh, I was like, wait, I'm missing my kid.
They got mooses.
This is the dog that I wanted.
Well, there you go. You can have it.
The dog you wanted.